Today I'm going to be showing you how to add artificial stems to your fresh Stephanotis blooms. What you're going to need is your fresh Stephanotis blooms. These are typically ordered 2 weeks in advance at your local floral wholesaler. And you're going to need these Stay Fresh Stephanotis stems, also from your wholesaler. And then these short little corsage pins. You can just really get them anywhere. So what you're going to want to do is take a bloom, I have it right here, and you dip these into the water for a few minutes to fully saturate. I've had these sitting in here. And so you take one of these stems, you pop off that little stem off the Stephanotis, insert the back of this into the back of the bloom to pop out that seed so you could hollow out the bloom. Then you take this end and just gently twist it into the bloom. And because these are saturated, they will be hydrating the bloom longer, so that way you could use them in your bouquet. Then you take that corsage pin and press that right into the center just to kind of glam it up a bit and to hide that little cotton piece. And then those are ready to go.